Hi guys, I recently bought this Himalaya Baby Gift Pack, so let's see its unboxing and review. So this kit is a pack of 5 products, MRP is 255 rupees, but you get this one for rupees 198 from Amazon, and it's nicely packed, ideal for gifting purpose. Let's open the pack and see what all it has. So it has this booklet, mom and baby's booklet, and the first thing in the kit is baby powder. This is 50-gram powder, MRP is 55 rupees. It is ideal for keeping the baby fresh. This powder helps in absorbing the moisture and prevent rashes. Next product in the kit is this baby massage oil. This is 50 ml and the MRP is 65 rupees. It is based on olive oil and winter cherry formula. It's lightweight and absorbs easily. The next product is baby soap, which is 75 gram, MRP is 65 rupees. It is enriched with almond oil and olive oil. Soap is formulated to gently clean the skin and leave it soft and hydrated. Now the fourth product in the kit is baby lotion. This is 40 ml, MRP is 42 rupees. This lotion offers hydration and it's non-greasy. It is great for the daily use of your baby skin. And the last product in the kit is the baby shampoo. This is 40 ml, MRP is 37 rupees. It is mild and it is made with no tears formula. And the core ingredients include chickpea, hibiscus and the khaskhas. So that was all in the kit. If we calculate the individual pricing, it comes all together 264 and we got it for rupees 198 from Amazon. So pricing wise, we got a good deal. And overall, this baby gift pack is really good and useful for the newborns. All the essential items required for the newborn baby are included in the pack. So overall, it's a great product for the new parents and as a thoughtful gift also. So give it a try and subscribe for more. Bye bye.